guys, how are you? Andy Suku, CEO and founder of Y2K Credit Solutions, consumer expert. And by the way, that is a legitimate title. Someone asked me about that before. You can actually Google it or research it. That is a legitimate title. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are all well. We have another judgment that we're going to talk about today. And if you guys have been following us the last couple of months, we've been swamped with new clients' judgment cases. Almost every day, 2 to 3 new clients we got that came to our office are being sued. But it's okay. We're going to help you guys. But I want to show you guys something. I want to show you guys some documents. When you guys try to fix your credit and you try to send a letter to the credit bureaus to dispute things on your credit report that's not yours, I want to show you the documents that are being verified between the creditors and the credit bureaus, and also the same documents are being sent to a lawyer when these creditors are obtaining a judgment against you. Because there's a lot of misinformation on the internet, and a lot of people are telling you, oh, if the creditors can't prove the debt, they can't prove it's your debt, it comes off your credit report. Like, guys, stop listening to these gurus online, social media, and TikTok. What they're talking about, they have no experience. They don't even have firsthand knowledge of what they're speaking about. Furthermore, ask them to show you a case study that they've successfully resolved. Because every time we do a video, we talk about a specific topic, or a client's case, or a judgment, or whatever we're speaking about, we show you guys documents to show you proof, right? Here's a client's judgment. And as you can see the judge, we took the client's name out and so forth, but you can see the docket number, you can see when it got issued, and so forth, right? It's a judgment. As you can see, I represent a client on, right? I raise it up a little bit, you see that. You see the court seal, I believe. Thank you. All right. Now, this consumer went to another company to fix their credit, and it didn't work out. And every credit report keep coming back, verified, debt is yours, whatever the case may be, account verified, right? So these are the information that creditors send to the credit bureaus that validates your debt. If you guys have never seen it or you don't know, here you go. They send payment history, right? They sent notices, bills, all the communication they've been sending you when you owe your debt that you haven't been paying, right? But more importantly, on the payment history, if you guys can see this, I want you guys to know or to see that, hold on, 1 second, let me pull it back up. They show what payments were made on the account, when it was made on the account, how it was made, and how much was made. Now, almost 9 out of 10 clients that come to our office has a checking account with the same bank that they owe the debt to. So now you're trying to dispute the debt's not yours, but it's the same checking account. For example, let's say you have a Chase checking account, you have a Chase credit card. You've been making your payment out of your Chase account to your Chase credit card. That's a paper trail, and that's what they're showing here. All right. Again, we say this over and over. If it's not your account, or if you notice $50 missing out of your account every single month, you'll be concerned, right? You'll file a dispute. You wonder where this money is going. So when you're trying to fix your credit, and you're writing these frivolous letters, say, this is not my account. I didn't open this account. I didn't make payments on your account. I'm not sure if you guys are forgetting that you've been making the payments out of the same checking account for the same creditor that you are trying to dispute. So the point I'm trying to make here is that for some reason, consumers think that the creditors don't have a paper trail. They don't have proof of this debt. That just because they got charged off, and that's another video we need to talk about. What does the word charge off mean? What does that word actually mean? Because a lot of you guys, oh, the account's charged off. That means it doesn't have to pay it. Or that means I don't have to pay it. Well, actually, that's not true. Because in their disclosure, section B, line D, it tells you your responsibility in the disclosure when you open this credit card. You sign for this because you're signing that you read, you check the box. When you open the credit card, there's a little box that says, do you agree to the terms and conditions before you get this credit card? And you cannot hit submit without you checking that box. It's stating right here. But most of you guys don't read the stuff. I read it because it benefits my clients, and that's how we represent our clients. But the point of this video, once again, is to tell you that every debt has a paper trail. And you guys need to wake up and get out of that scenario or that mentality thinking that, oh, my debt doesn't have a paper trail, I don't have to pay it back. It's charged off, it's not my responsibility. That's that poor man mentality thing, and this is why you guys end up in lawsuits, just like this client. All right? So the next time you try to dispute a debt or you try to fix your credit, you try to go to one of these companies, think twice before you give them your money, because you're just going to be wasting your time and your money and just digging your situation a deeper hole with the creditors and the creditors, which is what triggers them to file judgments. Keep in mind, let's say you owe the bank $9,000. When they file a judgment, first of all, these attorneys are representing the clients, the creditors. They're not being paid until the debt's collected on it, right? But second of all, it only costs $13 to file a judgment in court, file the paperwork. That's all it costs them. You already owe them $9,000. What's $13? It's nothing. They'll wipe that off in another debt or another write-off. So think twice before when you go fix your credit, to challenge a debt that you know is your debt, because it's going to hurt you in the long run trying to fix your credit the right way. If you have any questions, comment, drop it below, and I'll try to get back to you guys. Talk to you soon. Have a good day.